Far distant, lies Foyers the brave. Nae tombstone memorial shall hallow his grave. His bones they lie scattered on the rude soil of Spain. For young Jamie Foyers in battle was slain. He's gane frae the shipyard that stands on the Clyde. His hammer lies idle, his tools laid aside. To the wide broad river young Foyers has gane, to fecht by the side of the people of Spain. There was na his equal at work or at play. He was strong in the Union till his dying day. He was grand at the fitba, at the dance he was braw. Oh, young Jamie Foyers was a flood o' them all. He's come frae the shipyard, ta'en off his work claes. Oh, I mind the time o' wheel in the long summer days. Satan think na long lassie, and I'll come back again. But young Jamie Foyers in battle was slain. In the fecht for Belchite, he was 80 the ford, and he fought at Gandisa till he couldna fecht no more. He lay out his machine gun wi' a bullet in his brain. Aye, and young